this very response that came in from the Delhi LG, the Aam Aadmi Party has further countered him. The Aam Aadmi Party's response in connection with Delhi LG's office allegations on temple demolition order, where he is blaming the former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party has now responded saying that the Delhi LG must answer these following questions. Has the Principal Secretary Home, who heads the Religious Committee, been appointed by the BJP-led central government? Did the Religious Committee approve of the demolition of 5 temples and 1 Buddhist structure? Did the file of Religious Committee bypass the Minister of Home and Chief Minister of Delhi government to reach to the LG? And did the LG approve of this file? Now, Tetri, what has now been happening as far as the allegations are concerned, because it's the to and fro that has been happening as we are looking out of the allegations of temple demolitions and religious structures being raised. What is that we can make of this as far as certain examples that were cited by Chief Minister Atishi, and now certain examples are also being cited by the Delhi LG's office?
Well, you see, this entire matter escalated at the point of time when the Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, held a press conference, and in which she leveled up serious allegations against the LG office. And in fact, she mentioned that LG VK Saxena, the Delhi LG VK Saxena, has ordered, in fact, given instructions to demolish several religious structures that include religious structures from Hindu religion and the Buddhist religious structure as well, and the order has been given to demolish all these kind of structures. However, there was a rebuttal from the LG Secretariat where they said that the Chief Minister should not play petty politics, and rather she should pay attention on the work that has been done by the Delhi government in the past 10 years. And not just that, the LG office also clarified that no such order has been given. Also remember that Aam Aadmi Party has been mentioning that there was a meeting held in the month of November in the year 2024 in which this particular decision was taken to demolish the religious structure. However, the LG office further said that no such order has been given to demolish any kind of religious structure, and Aam Aadmi Party should not mislead or misinform the people of the national capital. Then yesterday we saw that the documents were released from the LG Secretariat, LG office, which highlighted that the instructions to demolish the religious structure were majorly given at a point of time when Arvind Kejriwal was the Chief Minister. At that particular point of time, they have also given the numbers, highlighted the numbers, in which they say that there were total 24 religious structures, out of which 22 were temples and 1 was a Muslim religious structure.
Controversy is surrounding over when it comes to religious structures being demolished or being raised. However, on whose orders that has been when it comes to the allegation that is being leveled from both sides. Thank you very much for the moment, Tetri, for joining in.